Welcome to Florida, day
2.
Today we're off to our first water park, one of 3, and we're going to Typhoon Lagoon.
Woo!
And then we're going to Disney Springs for something to eat at the Boathouse.
I'm really looking forward to that. Our first trip to Disney Springs.
I can't speak, I've just woken up. I'm probably not going to vlog too much at the water park because my camera is not waterproof and I don't want to get too wet. But when we're out of the pool, I'll show you around. Follow us. And we're off. God,
Oh,
I'm having
that's a steamy day.
I'm having a problem with steam.
Well, like you said, where the rooms are really nice and cold, when you come out and it's hot, instant whip.
Yes, I need to climatise. I'll see you in a minute when the steam goes.
Mum's doing a bit of cleaning. We're all vermin, we don't care about crumbs.
So I've gone for the grilled steak for breakfast, looks nice. What do you have, Ryan? Pancakes. Bacon, sausage. God, yours looks good as well. I might get that tomorrow. Nice. You excited for Typhoon Lagoon?
Very excited. I like a water park. We always have a good time, don't we?
Mm-hmm. You ride all the slides?
Yeah, all of them.
We're taking a bus to Disney Springs and then we've got to change and get a bus to Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah.
That's the only way to do it these days. 2 buses. Bus number 2. Getting our spot before we get our lockers and put everything in. It's a good idea really, because these spots go. When that sun's out, it is so hot. It's good. Oh, I think we've made progress. Right, we finally got a spot. I'm gonna have to put this away, I think, because I can't bring it on in the water. See you in a minute. How did it get on?
Yeah, it's
Typhoon.
Really good. Bit tame. Really good.
Bit tame for this one.
Really good for families. There's a lot of family rides where you can take your kids on the tube or bring things with you. So perfect if you've got little ones.
I think the theme
The
is
wave
really
pool's
nice.
amazing though.
Yeah, the wave.
That's
You got to
so
come for the
good.
wave pool.
Got
That's
actually
amazing.
wiped out. Goggles flew off my head. Hat was gone.
Brilliant.
It was a really good, lovely day.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, it hasn't rained.
No. Just need a
Don't think
little
that
nap
makes
now
that much
before
difference.
dinner. A little sleep.
How did you enjoy Typhoon Lagoon?
I enjoyed it very much. Like this place.
It's good, isn't
I
it?
do love the wave pool. Yeah, lots of good rides.
Thank you.
The only difference is here that the buses have changed where you have to get on the Disney Springs bus. Oh, here we go then.
Oh, speak of the devil. So that's all right. Straight on this bus, and then from Disney Springs to Port Orleans. Favourite ride of the day? Go.
Still the wave pool.
Wave pool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Favourite ride?
It's a tough one.
It is,
I
isn't it?
don't really like. I liked the first one we went on, Miss Adventure Falls. I thought that was quite nice.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. And the wave pools is a very good classic, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're my favourites.
Good choice. Carly?
The storm slide because it was the quickest one.
Storm slide.
Yeah, it was really
Oh
fun.
yeah.
I enjoyed that one.
I think mine was Slush and Gusher. I think that was my favourite. If that's how you say it. Cool.
Not any queues either.
No, good for queues today. And it's busy, isn't it?
It is a Monday.
It's August. Oh, okay. Apparently, on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, it gets really busy in the water parks. So, a little tip. But I imagine it'd be like that everywhere you go.
Yeah.
We've got to get the bus. It's a bit stormy and the boat's not running. So we'll get the boat soon, but not today.
Here we are.
Disney Springs.
Here we are finally after a year and a half of waiting.
Yeah. Oh, we're going in this bit first. So this is where we're eating tonight, the Boathouse. Looks lovely. Wow. This place is massive. I can't wait to go shopping in a few days. First impressions, Ryan, what do we think?
Bloody ginormous, isn't it?
Oh, let's check out the shop. Hello.
Hello.
You excited?
I am looking forward to some nice food. We've had a look at the menu, but I don't know what to have. Too many choices. Yeah, I had the panko fried fish of the day, which was an Icelandic cod with some chips, so it was very nice. I was very full. And then we shared a chocolate bun cake, which had some raspberry coulis and some ice cream on it. And it was really good. The service was amazing. Can't really fault it, actually.
We're back. We've had a long day in Disney Springs in the end.
Yeah, we went round a few shops. I got some mini graham crackers.
Oh yeah.
Sort of really
We'll have to
wanted
try
some.
one of those, isn't
Yeah. You went to the ganachery and got
Oh,
a
yeah.
few chocolates. I'm sure he'll show you when
Yeah.
he cracks
I'll
open
show you
the box.
something. I'm gonna have one in a minute, I think.
And then we just had a bit of a stroll. It was a bit dark to do any filming.
Yeah, it got a
was-
bit dark,
it was
didn't it?
pitch black pretty much.
And as soon as our food came, we all scoffed it quite quickly, and I didn't film
Yeah,
it.
it didn't. It was gone.
And there was so much food on the tables and everything. I just didn't get up and go round. So, yeah, that's why it's sort of cut out there.
The Boathouse was really good though. The service was amazing. The portion
Yeah.
sizes were massive.
Huge meals.
Yeah, it was lovely.
I had the burger. The burger was nice. Was it gourmet burger or the
It was the
award-winning burger? Really tasty. So it's a bit of a short vlog today. Keep watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
See you later.